Hey, from Florida, this is Ryan.
And I'm Joey, and we're going to be unboxing Seafood Express from Santa Monica Seafoods.
All right, this is Ryan again. I'm behind the camera, and Joey's going to do the unboxing.
Okay, here's the box. Now, this box came all the way from Santa Monica to Florida. That's over 3,500 miles, and it came overnight. And I can say it does not have a dent on it. It looks perfect. So I'm excited to see what's inside. All right, so first thing we have here, it looks like a thank you card, which describes the contents of the box. So it looks like there's Chilean sea bass, lobster tails. Both of them come 4 each, and the lobster tails are 4 ounces, and it looks like the Chilean sea bass are 6 ounces. We'll go ahead and give you a look at that. All right, that looks good. And I guess we're gonna open this up. Okay. So it comes with some packing peanuts, it looks like. Let's go ahead and get some of those out of the way. And this looks like an ice box of some sort with dry ice. Oh, wow. Those look great. Cool. So those are the lobster tails right there. I think there's another box of these. Yep, there sure is. So 2 of them. Those look great. Wow. Excited about those. And I believe that this is the Chilean sea bass. So these are some pretty big fillets you can see there. Wow. Almost the size of my head when you look at them. All right, so there are 4 of these babies. Wow, look at that. All right, I'm pretty happy with this. So they look good. They're still very cold. And they're very firm, so I think that those will defrost nicely for cooking. And they're kind of all like that. They're all very similar. And they're a nice shape, so you could cook several of these at a time, maybe. I think they would cook at the same time. And these lobster tails look pretty good, too. I think that they're vacuum packaged for freshness, so I'm pretty excited about that. Then it gives you a little information on the back about the seafood company. Cool. Great. Thank you, Seafood Express. If you want to get your hands on this box, you can go to www.smseafoodmarket.com. Thanks.
Thanks all.
Bye.